Hello friends, today we are talking about intertwining words of emotions. Ever wondered about the differences between having a crush and falling in love? Stick around because we are about to break it down. Crushing and falling in love may seem similar, but they are like two different flavors of ice cream. Having a crush is like enjoying your favorite ice cream. It's sweet, exciting, and you can't get enough of it. But it's often based on appearance or how that person make you feel in the moment. You might feel your heart race and you can't stop thinking about them. But remember, crushes can melt away as quickly as ice cream on a hot day. Fall in love, on the other hand, it's like planting a tree of emotions. It's not just about looks or fleeting feelings. It's about nutrients, a strong connection. In love, you care deeply about the person, their happiness and well-being. It's like building a trust, support, and a bond that's as strong as family or close friends. So, how do you know if you are falling in love? Well, it takes time. You will feel a profound connection, like you can be your true self around them. You will care about their happiness as much as your own. So, the next time you catch yourselves daydreaming, ask yourself, is it just a crush or something more profound? And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful contents. Thanks for watching, and remember, love is a beautiful journey.